Hello students, welcome to the statistics class. I am S. Nirmala, Assistant Professor of Statistics, and today's my topic is correlation ratios practicals. In the theory class, I have done what is correlation, the correlation ratio. We have seen correlation, types of correlation, the limits of correlation. Then we have done Karl Pearson's correlation, rank correlation, their limits. All we have discussed. Along with the correlation, we have done correlation ratio also. Now in this particular class, I am going to solve the problem which is, we are calling it as a practical problem solved by using correlation ratio. Now, roughly if we say what is the correlation ratio, it is measure used to help in determining the curvilinear relationship between two different variables, and it is denoted by nu. And if we are finding correlation ratio y on x, it will be nu y on x, denotes x y. This denotes correlation ratio between x on y. It is same as regression y on x and regression x on y. We are going to do the correlation also same way. In usually correlation is denoted by r x comma y and r x comma u comma v. This way we are going to denote correlation. Correlation ratio we are denoting it by nu of yx, nu of xy. And rank correlation is denoted by rho xy. So it's a rank correlation between x and y. And what else we have seen? This is correlation, Karl Pearson's correlation coefficient between x and y, and Karl Pearson's correlation coefficient between u and v. And this is rank correlation, Spearman's rank correlation between x and y. And this is correlation ratio between y on x and correlation ratio between x on y. Now we have seen how we will derive that and what are the formulas. In the practical, we have a table. We write in the procedure, aim will write and we write the procedure. In the procedure, we write the formulas which are applicable to this problem, and then calculation part mein what all we have and what all we have to find out to substitute in the calculation, that formula, how we are going to get the correlation ratio. So all these things we will see in the problem. This is the problem where we are going to see the correlation ratio between y on x. And the problem is given by x values 10, 15, 20, 25, y values 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. And these are the observations excited. Now we'll write the A, then we'll write the procedure. Procedure is nothing but the formula which we use to find out the correlation ratio for the given data, and by what all is given and seeing the formula, we have to find out certain things. That we'll do it in the calculation part, and later we'll write the inference. Now take down the problem, and the problem is find the correlation ratio, compute the correlation ratio of x on y for the given data. Now we have to write A. Aim is the first step. Aim is what? To calculate correlation ratio to the given data. M is over. Then we are going to write the procedure. Procedure. To calculate correlation ratio for y on x is given by y on x is equal to and where Ti dot is given as summation over j Fij Yj and small ni dot is equal to summation over j Fij and n dot j is equal to summation over I Fij and capital T is equal to summation over I Ti dot. Now, this is the formula we are going to use to find out correlation ratio. The nu square Yx is nothing but correlation ratio between correlation ratio of x on y, and it is given by this formula, and each term what it is given. Now we have to do the calculations. Calculations may we have been given x's and y's, so from that we have to find out Ti dot T, capital M, N dot I, Yj square, all these things we have to find out. Based on this assumption, we will do the calculations. Now, x values 10, 15, 20, 25. Y values 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. And the other values now. First we will find out the totals. NI 3 plus 2 5, 2 3 6 12 13, 4 4 8 12 13, 6 7 8 9. Now, here we see summation Fij is equals to Nij. What will that be equals to? Three plus 2 5, 10 plus 1 11, 7 8 9, 2 3 5 8, 6 plus 1 7. Our overall total would be this way, that way it should be same. 9, 10, 14, 13 3s are 39, 40. And how about this? 15, 24, 25, 30, 3 carry 40. So your capital N is equals to 40. Now the next column is Nj, Yj. Now, this is your Yj and this is your N. So, what it is? 7 5s are 35, 9 11s are 99, 11 9s are 99, 13 8s are 104, and 15 7s are 35, 3 carry 7, 105. And the total is 10, 19, 28, 32. 6, 15, 15, 25, 35, 40, 44. Seven threes are 21 plus 13 twos are 26. 21, 26, it would be 47. And then 7 twos are 14. 9 ones are 9. 11 threes are 33. 13 ones are 13. And 15 sixes are 90. So it is 9, 10, 13, 16, 19, 2, 5, 10. 159. Now the next column would be 7 into 0, 9 fours are 36, 11 fours are 44, 13 fives are 15, 1 carry, 345, then 15 is nothing. So what will be the answer? 10, 15, 1 carry, 8, 9, 12, 125. 9 fours are 36, 11 fours are 44, 13 fives are 45. Ten, 15, 1 carry. 3, 12, 8, 9, 10, 125. And then it is 9 6 are 54, 11 twos are 22, 6 70. Correct? 15 ones are 50. Here 90. So that is 440. Then Ti dot square by 35, 3 carry, 21, 2. Yeah. 81, 8 carry, 9 9s are 81 plus 8, 89. 11, 9, 9, 11. 1089. 12 1 carry 1 3 4 0 1 2 5 3 1 1 3 5 2 105 into 50 25 5 5 0 1 5 7 5 1 157, and the total would be 5152. Now this is the table which is required for us. So, with the given table is xy values and y values. Now, first we have to add up the xij's. 3 plus 2, 5, 1, 4, 6, 11. That is 11, 11, 22. 11. Then 3 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 5, 8, 6, 1, 7. This way also you have to add up. 3 plus 2, 5, 2, 3, 6, 7, 30. And 8 plus 5, 13. 6, 2, 8, 9. So it's adding this way or adding this way, you should have same n is equals to 40. Then what we have done TIs. How do we get TIs? 7 3s are 21 and 13 2s are 26. 21 plus 26 is equal to 41. That means each yi you have to multiply with each column and add it, so that you get the value 47, 159, 125, 91 and 422. And later what we have done? Ti square divided by ni. This part we have done. 47 square divided by 5. 159 square divided by 13. 125 square divided by 13. 91 square divided by 9 you get, and you add up this value. Now we'll see what we are doing here. What we are doing here, Nij, Yi. So this is your Nij, Yi is this part. So 7 5s are 35, 9 11s are 99, 11 9s are 99, and 13 8s are 104, 15 7s are 105. You add up these two. These two answers also will be same. Next what we have done, Nj's are this into yi square. You square this and multiply. So 7 square is 49. 49 5s are 245. Then 81 into 99. You get this value. 121 into 99. 169 into 104. 225 into 105. You add up this value. That's all we require for the to find out correlation ratio. We require these calculations. If you fill up the table completely and substitute these values in the formula, we are going to get the correlation ratio for x on y. Now let us see how to substitute in the formula. Now, equals to Now we substitute the values here. What are the values we are going to get with it? So if we calculate this, we are going to get the value n square y on x is equals to 0.1486. Therefore, correlation ratio of y on x is given as nu, let us write here, nu x y on x is equals to root of 0.1486 is equals to 0.3855. So this is your correlation ratio of y on x. This is how you have to find out. First, you have to see the problem. In the problem, what did they ask? You should be very clear. Did they ask correlation? Did they ask rank correlation? Or did they ask correlation ratio? Now, in this particular case, it was correlation ratio. You have been given bivariate data, x values and y values. Your question. And your aim is to find the correlation ratio of y on x. For that procedure, you have to write the formula for correlation ratio for y on x. And then, with the help of the formula, you have to create the table where you have been given only x and y. So, we have created a table. What all we have to find by seeing the formula in the procedure, and we have completed the table and we have calculated all the summations and wrote the correlation ratio for y on x and substituted the values. We got 0.1486 for nu square, but our correlation is root of nu, so it is 0.35. It is x and y in the given data are positively correlated. Not only its correlation, but its correlation ratio is also 0.3855. And we know that correlation ratio lies between 0 and 1. And it is very much inside 0 and 1. Ratios cannot be negative in the correlation ratios case. So, the limits for the correlation ratio is 0, 1, and we have solved the problem, given the inference and completed it. Now, I am going to give you a problem on correlation ratio on my channel. So, you people solve this in your, write this problem in your record, and the second problem, as it is same, you calculate, you write aim, procedure, calculations and the inference by yourself. If you have any doubts, please do ask me and clarify your doubt. This bivariate data, sometimes it is a tricky one. We have seen bivariate correlation coefficient, and also we have seen today correlation ratio. The two problems look similar, but both are very different. One is correlation coefficient, the other one is correlation ratio. So both are different, and both the methods to solve both the problems are different. If you are careful and do practice the problem, whatever is being asked to you, then it will be easy and simple for you to solve it. I once again tell you to do the problem which I'll post. You solve that. These two problems will be covering your practical correlation ratio. Hope you all understood this, and you will do your homework. And that's all for today's class. Thank you.